Sailing through the Lok Sabha, the bill to amend the TRAI Act will now face its test in the Rajya Sabha. The Congress has continued to oppose the amendment to the TRAI Act. The TMC and the NCP, though, have lent it their support. All eyes now on whether the government will be able to push through the key amendment in the upper house as well.
I move that the bill further to amend
At 2:30 p.m. on Monday, as the TRAI amendment bill came up for vote, a sudden U-turn was made by Mamata's MPs.
Everybody should respond and should allow the Prime Minister for peaceful
So why? So has it embarrassed you? Has it embarrassed your party?
I can't say yes, no, where.
TMC MPs who had moved a show-cause notice to the Modi government, bailing them out, voting in favour of the bill, paving the way for Nripendra Misra's appointment as Prime Minister's Principal Secretary.
I move that the bill further to amend the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India Act 1997 be taken into consideration.
With Mamata's sudden backing, the TRAI amendment bill passing the Lok Sabha test. The real challenge would be passing the Rajya Sabha hurdle as it comes up for vote today. A furious Congress ditched at the last minute, quick to allege that Mamata had a change of heart after the CBI heat on Trinamool MP Mithun Chakraborty.
It's a simple corollary that the deal that has been taken place between Trinamool party and the ruling dispensation has been culminated in supporting the ordinance.
An allegation Mamata's party outrightly denies.
If the BJP NDA government has 20 issues, if you are expecting that the government, Trinamool Congress with a blindfold around themselves will oppose the government on every issue? No. So there is absolutely no U-turn.
But sources say there was more than what meets the eye.
The TRAI Amendment Bill puts a question mark on the Trinamool Congress's motives for first opposing and then supporting the bill. It comes close on the heels of the CBI planning to question Mithun Chakraborty and other MPs in the Sarada scam, which is why the opposition now says that it is smelling a rat.
The former Bollywood actor and now TMC MP is reportedly to be questioned over the Sharada chit fund scam. Since Chakraborty was part of the promotional exercise undertaken by the promoters. With the TMC, DMK and NCP coming to government's rescue, it remains to be seen if the crucial bill manages to pass the Rajya Sabha hurdle. Bureau Report, Times Now.